Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Power Cycle Trading. In this video I wanted to go over the importance of having a trading plan. We've been in a pretty good little downtrend here lately, and the markets go up and down, so as a trader it's important to have a plan to help you navigate the different type market scenarios and conditions. So you need to treat your trading just as a business, and you need to have an ongoing plan on what you're going to do in various different circumstances. So I'm going to go through the importance of looking at the markets and getting a view of where they are and where they've been and where they're potentially going in order to develop that plan. But before I get started, if you've not received my free ebook, just go to powercycletrading.com, put your name and email address in here, and you'll get Top 15 Option Trading Strategies. It's a really great book. Now, while we're talking about having a trading plan, I've got a new service. It's called the After Market Power Outlook, and this is a $99 a month service, and you get a daily video that will get you prepared for what's ahead. So, if you don't have the time to be in a trading room all day, this comes out at the end of the day, and it gives you, any major upcoming economic events, updates and review of the markets, various different asset classes. It gives you a lot of information that can help you deliver a plan and put together a plan. So it'll go through market cycles and trends, changes, and a lot of good information. So you would receive this daily, and this comes from me, and it's prepared for your next day of trading. And it's really ideal for the day trader or someone who doesn't really have time to maybe day trade every day. It's more inclined to maybe swing trade or invest. So it's about a 10 to 15 minute video that I put out every day after the market. And if you'd like to look further into this, just go to my website, powercycletrading.com, and it's under programs called Aftermarket Power Outlook. So let's get started. So to formulate a plan each day, I go through what I call the top-down market analysis, and I'll start off with the various different indexes, usually the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, whatever important stocks are out there like Apple, gold, whatever. And I'll go from a long-term down to intermediate term perspective, using our trading model. If you're not with our program and do not have access to our model, you can use whatever trading methodology you're currently using, but do this type of analysis. So currently the daily trend for the S&P 500 using our power cycle model is currently neutral. We've had a nice little move down, but it's been holding neutral, and it's been up and down quite a bit. Now this is on the medium term. I'm going to go through and show you the long term and intermediate next. So the next thing I go to, I'll usually start out with the long-term trend. I wanted to show you the daily medium-term trend first today, but we're currently in a long-term trend, and we've been in a cycle trend down since October the 12th. This is using our power cycle model, which gives us cycle highs and lows. So we're currently in a long-term trend down. The last time we shifted to the upside, it was a long-term trend was on June the 8th, and we extended from June through the midpoint of October into a nice little long-term trend up. So you can see that if you'd had some kind of system that could help you with a trend, then you could have planned accordingly to play, to trade that trend, to buy the dips or do various other strategies. Right now we're in a long-term trend down, so you can adjust your strategy for trading in a down market. A lot of different ways you can do that. So the importance of it is to have a trend, and this particular model that we use will give you that trend and then formulate your plan. And then we go to the next time frame. Here's the intermediate term measured by the 60-minute time frame, and you can see we've had some great trends based on this. This is what we use for swing trading, and here you can see that on the 19th of October we had a down signal, a short signal here using our cycle model, and basically got short at 1450 and then covered down here, went long at 1413, so had a nice move down, caught that, and then kind of went sideways. We had a long signal back here on the 25th of October, held through this chop here, and then flipped to the short side on right here on Friday, and so currently short on the intermediate term trend. So that's for S&P. Now I'm going to show you the NASDAQ real quick. NASDAQ 100 futures. This is the weekly time frame with our power cycle model, currently in a long-term downtrend. So went short on October the 5th, right here about 2,800. Had a great move down, still holding short on a long-term basis. The intermediate term trend, or excuse me, the medium term trend is what we call the daily time frame, and it's currently neutral. We had a nice cycle short from on the 18th at about 27.45 and went neutral down at 26.40. It's just been chopping around here into this 200-day moving average. And lastly, here's the intermediate term trend as measured by the 60-minute time frame for the NQ, and it's really been nailing it. So here's the short signal here, came on the 1st of November at 26.85, still holding short. Market closed on Friday at 26.42. So you can see how it caught a really major downtrend. Here it caught a really major uptrend. Here another downtrend. So using our trading model, we can develop a trading plan because we can see the various time frames, either being macro to long-term, medium-term to intermediate, all the way down to intraday day trading. We can see where the kind of cycle highs and lows are and then develop a trading plan accordingly. So good luck trading, and if you'd like to learn more about how we trade at Power Cycle Trading, please come join me at powercycletrading.com, and thank you for your time and good luck this coming week.